turbo 200 capacitors. Not very many people tried them yet because of the price. And the thing about them, the wiring. I found out actually some people are afraid of the wiring because they didn't understand the instructions. They found it a little bit intimidating. It's really not that intimidating. If you can add, you can do one of these. So say tomorrow I'm going out to a job. I need a 40 microfarad. So here I got a 5, but they say it's a 5. It's actually a 4, and it's just a little bit more than a 4. And they actually have the rating, what it exactly is, 4.681. So I got a 4.681. Then this other one, it says it is a 5, and it says it's actually a 6. And if I come down here and read what it really is, it's 5.182. So as you can see, I jumped those two together. Then, so that makes roughly 10 right there. Then I, from the two that I just made into a 10, I jumped that 10 to another 10. So I came over here to the red. There's the red, there's 10. So now I have 20. Then I jumped the red to the yellow, and the yellow is a 20. So now I have a yellow, what is 20? So I got 10, the two 5s are a 10, and 20 gives me 40. So now this is a 40 megafarad. You know how many capacitors you don't have to carry in your vehicle? And they have several other size capacitors, all the way down to little stuff for your fans and stuff like that. So you only need to carry a couple capacitors, and you could replace hundreds of capacitors just with a handful. I do not carry capacitors. I only carry these now. This is the only thing I get. That's all what's in my vehicle, and takes care of everything right now. Time is money, and if you just happen to run out of one capacitor and you don't have it, this covers everything. Or the smaller version of this, or the smaller version. They have several others. That's it. All right, see you. And it's not a regular electrolytic capacitors that fail from China, or even the American-made ones that are electrolytic. They have a sort of, this has the metal film technology in it that has a longer life than normal capacitors.